I think you can hear me. Very sorry for delay. There was a connection. I start the meeting on time, but there was a connection. Not connection. My laptop was stuck. I think you can hear me now. Send me quickly message. I think now what is the time now? 7, no? Okay, very sorry. Very sorry. And thank you for waiting for me. Okay, we'll start now. Okay, today we. Okay, thank you all. Okay, up to now, I think the board is clear now. Yeah, it's clear. Yeah. Up to now, we have covered how many lessons we have covered. First, we discussed measurement lesson. Measurement lesson we completed. We finished. The second one, forces we did. Third one, the biomolecule lesson. Biomolecule we done, we finished. Then we are going to start. I told, do you remember at first days, I told you we have to discuss 5 mathematics lessons. 5 mathematics lessons in our syllabus. From 25 lessons, 5 lessons are mathematics lessons. They are not actual. I told you they are simple lessons. They are not combined maths. They are not combined maths. They are very simple, like all of us. Okay, very simple lessons. Very simple lesson. Okay, what are maths lesson? Our first maths part. Maths. Under maths lesson, we have discussed the first one is area and volume. Area and volume. Today we start from here. Okay, area and volume. Our second lesson is trigonometry. Trigonometry. Our third lesson is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras area and volume, trigonometry, Pythagoras theorem. These all the basic. I told you today we start our basic mathematics lessons. Basic mathematics mean these three. Basic, you know, in O-level time also you did this area and volume, trigonometry, and Pythagoras theorem. Other than that, we have advanced mathematics 2 lessons also. That is the fourth lesson is descriptive statistic. You know, statistic is actually in university statistic. In university, the statistic is not a lesson, that is a separate subject. Statistic normally in our syllabus, the statistic is a main lesson. That's not only lesson, that's a compulsory question in the exam. If you consider our now up to now 2015 to 2025, we have 2015 to 2025, we have 10 past papers. No, in every past paper, every 10 past paper, there is a statistic essay question and also 3 MCQ questions. Therefore, that is something advanced as well, that has lot of marks. Approximately it is 10 marks from approximately 10 marks from 100 in exam. We have another maths lesson. coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Okay, they are the 5 maths lessons we have discussed. Okay, today we are going to start our basic mathematics. Basic mathematics mean area and volume, trigonometry, and Pythagoras theorem. Okay, within few days mean within 3 or 4 days, we'll try to complete all these area and volume, trigonometry, and Pythagoras theorem. They are very simple lessons. After that, then if we complete this basic mathematics parts, measurement, forces, biomolecules, the very important 3 lessons we have completed now, up to now. After that, we can if we complete our basic mathematics, basic maths, then first 1, 2, 3 in this part 3 lessons, 5 and 6. Basic mathematics mean 3 lessons. I told 1, 2, 3. There are then 6 lessons we completed. 6 lessons we completed. Then we have only from 25. Then we have only 90. Okay. Therefore, we are working with perfect plan with our time, with our remain time. Okay. Therefore, in our side, we doing everything. Okay. Other thing is your hand. Okay, your responsibility. Complete all works, complete refer every recording, so notes, so whatever, it's your responsibility. Okay, we are doing everything now. This is I consider that is our first lesson of the first day of the 2024. Therefore, start this year with proper plan and with specific target in your life, because that is very important year, because that is your working year. Actually, next year your exam. Therefore, you have to do maximum work for your exam within this year. Okay, we'll start our working. Okay, if we after we complete this basic mathematics part, 6 lessons we completing, then we have very few lessons. Okay, with time we can finish one by one day. Okay. Okay, our today lesson is area and volume. Area and volume. Area and volume. Actually, this is our first lesson. This is our in our syllabus. That is our first lesson. Area and volume. Area and volume. Area and volume. Area and volume. In this lesson, don't have any theory parts. Therefore, you have to prepare a or not very small equations only. Then all calculations. Okay, take a paper or your book and write down the topic area and volume. The first lesson of the basic mathematics. Basic mathematics. Why we consider that is basic mathematics? Because they are in our syllabus, they are basic thing. After that, we have some advanced mathematics part. They are coordinate geometry and statistic, descriptive statistic. Okay. Then after completing our basic mathematics lesson, 6 lessons we completing. Then later we can slowly we can do advanced mathematics part. Then your math part of our syllabus, you can finish all lessons. Okay, write down the topic area and volume. Area and volume. Area and volume. Actually, these parts, this area of any object, volume of any object, actually you have heard these terms. But in this lesson, our target is not only doing calculations, not only doing, not only using few equations on this lesson. From this equation, not only calculation, we are going to identify some technological approaches how in technology use this area and volume. Okay, you can after the we complete the basic part of this lesson, you can identify what we doing, what target, and why we learn this lesson. Okay, actually, as technologists, we are learn to become a technologist. Technologists mean our target is produce new things, new knowledge. We investigate new knowledge. Okay, for us, why this area and volume knowledge? Okay, if you doing, I explain little bit. If you doing, I think you already know in engineering technology, you have, yeah, I think all the engineering technology, no any biosystem technology. When we do, there is a specific part of engineering technology, civil and civil engineering, but technology, no, civil engineering technology. In our university also, there is a specific department, civil and environmental technology. There is a specific department as well. There is a department as well, civil and environmental department. If you interest, you can after you select university, if you interest, you can go for study civil, and then you can achieve as civil engineering path. You can follow after many jobs opportunities. Okay, I told you in civil and engineering processes, this area and volume knowledge is very important. In civil and engineering processes, we doing some buildings, like building or some bridge or different types of manufacturing processes. Okay, in these manufacturing processes, this area and volume knowledge is very important. You know that. Okay, if any point mistake, whole constructions become problem. Okay, whole construction. Therefore, this area and volume knowledge is very important. Actually, you should have knowledge about not only the equations and calculation, the practical scenario behind this every theories I will explain. Then you should have this knowledge. Okay, in this lesson, you should have the practical approach knowledge of this every process, every theories, area and volume lesson. Okay, that is a basic. Okay, under area and volume, first we discussed about area of object, area. Okay, write down our first, under area and volume, we discussed first about area. Okay, under what is the meaning of this area? Do you have idea what is the area? Normally, how we define the area? Area, like example, if you take this type shape, what is the area? How we define the area of this object or shape? How we define? How we define the area? Do you have idea? I think your grade 5 knowledge. Area, how we defined, I asked. What's the meaning of area? Do you have idea? The meaning of area, I asked. Area. Think any land. We consider the area of this land. Yes. There is one answer. The area is the amount of space occupied. Yes. Yes. The amount of space occupied in the surface of the object or shape. That's the meaning of the area. The space, the area means the space of the surface of the area. Sorry, surface of the any object. Surface of any object or shape. Surface of any object or shape. Okay, write down the area mean object or shape. Okay, write down the area is the space of the surface of the surface of any object or shape. Object or shape. That's the meaning of area. They are not asking in the exam. Okay, what is the meaning of area? They are not asking. For understand only. They are. Okay, write down our next topic. The area of 2D shapes. Our first under area, our first topic, the area of 2D shapes. 2D mean two-dimensional. Two-dimensional, that they don't need 2D shapes. 2D shapes. The area of 2D shapes. The area of 2D shapes. Area of 2D shapes. Okay. Our first 2D shape we discuss in our syllabus. Our first 2D shape is the square. Our first one is our first shape is square. Square. Okay, write down prepare a perfect note. Okay, square. Square. Okay, in square, you know, all parts are equal. All parts are equal. Then how we get the area? Area equal. How we get the, what is the equation for area? Area equal. Think the one side length is A. One side length is A. Then the area equal A multiplied by A. That is A square. A square. They are grade 5 knowledge. I think. A square is the square surface area. Capital A mean area. A equal A square is the equation. Okay, write down first square, then equation for area. Second one, our second object is rectangle. Rectangle. You know what is the shape. These two sides are equal. This two is equal and other two sides also equal. Therefore, we mark that like this. Okay, equal and parallel, you know. They are very simple. Then how we get the think this is B and this is A. How we get the area? Area equal A into B. AB. A into B. Area equal A into B. Okay, second one, write down rectangle, then draw the diagram, then write down equation AB. Area equal A into B. Area equal A into B. Okay, this simple thing I am not going to one by one calculate examples. They are very simple. When we discussing new things of this lesson, we'll do calculations because they are very simple thing. Okay, we can finally we doing every calculations. Every part we not going to discuss more because they are very simple. You grade 5 or 6, you did these things. Okay, our third 2D, we are discussing 2D shape, not object. What's the meaning of 2D? Two-dimensional, like plane object, plane within one plane. 2D, that's the meaning. Our third object, shape, not object, shape, triangle. 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 It's like this. It is H and it is A. How we get the area? Area equal half A into H. Area equal half A into H. Normally we call B or A is no problem. B into H also we use the base into height. Half into 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 base into height. Okay, we have another equation in this lesson. I think you know in O-level time you for area of a triangle you did only this equation, half into base into height. But in our syllabus we have another equation. Carefully understand that. Think this angle is theta. This angle is theta. Okay, this side is A, this side is A, this side is B. Okay, this triangle we can name, this is A cone, B cone and C cone. Okay, A, B, C. For better understand, I'll draw here. That is a new thing. Okay, we'll do calculation of this part. That is A, that is B, and that is C. This angle is theta. Okay, this angle is theta, ABC. This is A side, this is B side. Okay, in this case, we can get the area of this triangle. I think some of you know this equation, half AB sine C. Half AB sine C. Okay, what is the meaning of this? AB sine C. A means this side. Okay, B means other side. Between this A and B, the angle is the sine C, not sine C, sine C angle. That means C angle. Okay, the C angle is theta. Okay, the theta angle should there the sine value. Okay, we'll do a, always we have to get the angle between this A and B. Okay, if we consider A and B, this side and this side, we have to use this angle. Okay, the angle should be between A and B. Okay, I will do some calculations also. Okay, we'll take an example like this. Think this angle is 60 degree. 60 degree. Okay, it is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. 60 degree. This side is 5 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. Okay, now we know two sides of the triangle, but the height we don't know. Any side height we don't know. Then this equation we can't use. This equation half into base into height. This equation we can't use because if we consider 4 is the base, the height we don't know. The perpendicular height. If we consider the 5 is the base, the perpendicular height we don't know. Therefore, we use this equation. This case, the area equal half into AB sine C. Half into AB sine C. Now, half, what is the A or B? You can use any side. Then I use 5 as A. The 4 is the B. 5 and 4. Then sine C means the angle between these two sides. The angle between this side is 60. Then it not is 60, sine 60 we have to substitute. Sine 60. Okay, then you can see 2 to this 4 is cancel out. 2 to this 4 is cancel out. After that, 5 into 2, it is 10. 10. Sine 60 value, you can use calculator for get sine 60 value. Sine 60 equal, in forces lesson, I given a table for find this trigonometric values. Sine 60 mean root 3 over 2. Okay, root 3 over 2. Okay, if you don't know these values, doesn't matter. You can take scientific calculator. Do you have all scientific calculator? Do you have seen them? Okay, raise hand if you have scientific calculator. Yeah. Yeah, Amina, you have, no? Others? Okay, no problem, Buddha. I will give you a mobile app. I also using normally. I'm also don't have scientific cal. Normally, I use this application. That say similar to scientific calculator. Knowing every functions are working. I will give you the link of this application, then you can download that. But the problem is this application only support for Android, not for iPhones. My other phone, it's not working. Only this phone, it's working. Okay, if you have Android, for iPhones, I try to find application, but this application is it's working for only Android. Okay, that's all functions we have. Then if you want, okay, I think it. Okay, I don't know it is visible. If you want to get sin 60, you can easily type here, then automatically answer is coming. Okay, I will send this link. If you have Android phone, you can download this. If you have iPhone, if you only have iPhone, I will see. I will find another app. Okay, somehow when close to the exam, you have to take. You have to buy a cal, or you have to find from your friend or any other relation. You have to find a cal. Okay, don't need to buy. Actually, you can find. Okay, for exam, then you can practice using the app. Okay, if you have calculator, no problem. Then you can see, then 2 to this 10 again cancel out. It is 5. Then 5 root 3. It become 5 root 3. 5 root 3 cm square. Square centimeter is the answer. Square centimeter is the answer. Okay, like this, I think for triangle, both the equation we can use. Both the equation you can use. Sir, are we allowed to carry our own calculators? Yes, yes. Scientific calculator. Okay, I will give you the Ministry of Education. They have not every calculation. They have sent, I think, more than 100 types of calculators allow for exams. Normally, we use scientific calculator. Scientific calculator means in market there are different types of scientific calculator. But exam allow non-programming calculator. Non-programming mean okay, lot of we are using calculators are non-programming. That mean okay. I will send some pictures of allowed calculators and types. In Ministry of Education, they have allow calculation list. I will send you. Then I will send you figures of calculators. Then you can find a suitable calculation. Then every calculation do by scientific calculator, no problem. In exam also you can carry this calculator, no problem. Therefore you have to practice doing mathematics, these maths parts doing using calculator, not manually. Okay, not manually. You have to practice your speed with calculator, not handwritten. Okay, write down this triangle. This is first equation and this is second equation. As example, do this. As example, do this. Example. Amina, what is your calculator type? It is at the top, I think, EX number, EX991 or EX100 or EX256 or what is the number? You can find it. Okay, normally from the number is the type of the calculator. Okay, in group I will explain how you find a suitable calculator for exam. Can you find the number? It's hundreds, yes. It's no problem. EX100, no problem. Okay, we'll do another question, example. Okay, draw that two triangle. Okay. Okay, this is a MCQ type question in the exam. Normally, you know how many MCQ questions from math parts? Do you remember? I explained first days. How many? Normally, in MCQ paper, we have 50 MCQs. From 50, how many maths questions? Anyone remember? How many maths questions? I think I explained revision also. Some 25 students also there. How many maths questions? How many maths MCQ questions? How the MCQ paper is how prepare? What is the order? Okay, before question, you need to understand MCQ paper. Okay. Okay, 5 bio questions in bio part, 5 questions in chemistry, 12 in physics, 13 in maths, 10 MCQ in ICT, 10 50 marks. Okay, I think I explained it. 5 bio questions, 12 chemistry questions, 13 physics question, 10 maths questions, 10 ICT questions. Then you can add them. 10, 20, 20 plus 25, it is 45 plus 5, 50. Okay, that's the order. Therefore, 10 MCQ questions coming from maths. 10 MCQ coming from maths. Okay, you know 10 MCQ mean 10 marks. I think you remember 10. That means 50 MCQ mean 50 marks. Therefore, 10 MCQ mean 10 marks from 100. Okay, therefore, very important this part. I think you remember. If you don't know, mark that. Not the lesson, any other place. That is MCQ paper. Okay, finish drawing. Okay, write down. The ABC triangle area, ABC triangle area, ABC triangle area is equal to the ABC triangle area is equal to the PQR triangle. PQR triangle. PQR triangle. PQR triangle. Find the AC length. Find the AC length. Find the AC length of ABC triangle. Find the AC length of ABC triangle. ABC triangle. Find the AC length of ABC triangle if AB length is 6 centimeter. If AB length is 6 centimeter. If AB length is 6 centimeter. Okay. Now calculate. This is a MCQ question in exam, not my question. Actually, not actual values, but the same concept. There was an exam question. Okay, find actually this AC side. This is asking. This is asking. This is 6 centimeter. That is given. Okay, fine. Thirty degree. 30 degree. That is 30 degree. Not 80. 30. 30. Theta is 30. Okay, it's like 30, 80, no? It is 30. Okay, put answers into chat. Very simple question, actually. I think great, O-level question. Don't take time. Very simple question. Okay, put answers. Hmm. Yeah, two answers. Yeah, something same but decimal point different. Two answers. Okay, that's the method. First of all, the question given ABC triangle area equal to PQR triangle. First of all, we can find the PQR triangle area we can find. What is the equation? PQR triangle area, it is area equal half into base into height, because the base and height we know. Therefore, we can use half into base into height. Then half, the base is 10, the height is 5. Then it is cancelled out into 5. 5 into 5, the area is 25 square centimeter. The PQR area is 25 square centimeter. According to the question, this area is equal to this area. Okay, ABC triangle area. Therefore, this area also 25 square centimeter. No, therefore we can write the area. But in ABC triangle, we don't know the base. Base we know, but the perpendicular height we don't know. Therefore, this equation we can't use. This equation, the basic equation, our previous equation we can't use. Therefore, new equation we have to use. The area equal half AB sine C. Sine C mean this 30. Okay, others send answer now. I think all found the method that I need. Then half AB means A equals 6. The B we don't know. Okay, instead of B we can put AC. AC we don't know. The sine C means sine 30. Sine 30 we don't know. Okay, the AC we don't know, that's why we put as AC. Okay, then half 6 AC we don't know. What is the value of sine 30? I have given in the first lesson. Sine 30 equal half. Sine 30 equal half, otherwise 0.5. Then sine 30 equal half. Okay, if you don't know these sine 30, sine 45 values, don't worry. You can use calculator. If you okay, if you want, I will give you the table again. That is very simple table. You can remember. That is sine costan table. Okay, we'll do like this. 30, 60, 45. Sine, cos, tan. Then sine 30 half. Sine 60 root 3 over 2. Okay, root 3 over 2. Sine 45, 1 over root 2. 1 over root 2. Cos 30, root 3 over 2. Cos 60 half. Cos 45, 1 over root 2. Okay, tan 30, 1 over root 3. Tan 30, 1 over root 3. Tan 60, root 3. Tan 45, 1. Tan 45, 1. Okay, you can see very easy, you can remember. What is consider the pattern of this table. Sine 30 half, samely cos 60 half, cross half half. Sine 30 half, cos 60 half. Then sine 60 root 3 over 2. Then cos 30 root 3 over 2, cross. It's like this. Same. And sine 45 and cos 45, 1 over root 2, 1 over root 2. Then tan 30, 1 over root 3, tan 60 root 3, tan 45, 1. That's easily remember. Okay, that's it. Sine cos tan table. Okay, that's why I get the sine 30 equal half. Now you can see sine 30 half. Then that is 3, 2 to 3, 6 cancel out. Then the area is already, we know it is 25. It is 25 square centimeter. Now we only don't know AC. Now if we isolate the AC, we can get the answer. Now 25 equal 3 AC divided by 2. 3 AC divided by 2. Then cross multiplication 50 equal 3 AC. 50 equal 3 AC. Then we can isolate the AC if we 50 divide by 3. 50 divide by 3. Then AC equal 50 divided by 3. What is the value of 50 divided by 3? You can use calculate. 16.66. 16.66 centimeter. Okay, if anyone couldn't understand, send me a message. I will explain, because that's this equation is new for you. Therefore, I will explain if there are any problem for you. Okay, send me if there are any problem. Yeah, question. The second equation explain කරන්න. Here area equal half AB sin C. You know, the question given, this area, the PQR area is equal to this ABC area. Therefore, this area is 25 square centimeter. No? Then we get this square area and substitute to this area equation directly, because this area is equal to this ABC PQR area is completely equal to this ABC area. Then we substitute this 25 here. Then this triangle ABC triangle, we can't use half AB into H, half B into H equation. This equation we can't use because the perpendicular height we don't know. That's why we use this half AB sin C equation. In this AB sin C equation, that is A, think the 6 centimeter is A, half A is 6, the B mean AC. AC mean we don't know. That's why we use that as AC. If you want, you can put as X. Okay. Then AC, if you, after that, we isolate the AC. If you tell the what is the which point you can't understand, I will explain. Now is it okay? Good. Okay. We'll do another question because that is something new. No? Okay. Third example. Third example. Example 3. Example 3. Okay. Third example. Draw this first. Okay. After drawing, write like this. PQR triangle area. PQR triangle area. That is P. Okay, that's P. PQR. PQR triangle area. PQR triangle area is twice is twice the area of ABC triangle. Twice the area of ABC triangle. Then find the PQ length. Find the PQ length. Think this is X that you want to get the X length. X length mean PQ length. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, for in exam every MCQ you have only 2 minutes because 50 MCQ 2 hours. Therefore, 2 minutes for one question. Therefore, you have to practice within 2 minutes. Okay, try to do that. Try to do the PQR triangle twice like ABC triangle area. Okay. Okay, what happened? Still calculate how many answers. Any answer? Quickly. Now 2 minutes is finished. 2 minutes is exit. Okay, what is the first step? No, any answer. I need minimum one answer. Correct or wrong, send your answer. Mistake, no problem, but you have to work. How to multiply 1 over root 2 by root 2? Okay, I think all are stuck here. Okay, we'll see. Okay, first of all, you need to find the ABC area. ABC triangle area. ABC triangle area. What is the equation? ABC triangle area half into AB sine C. Half. A means 15. B means 5. Sine 45. No, sine 45. Sine 45. Half 15 into 5. 15 into 5. Sine 45 mean you have values. Sine 45. Sine 45 mean 1 sine or cos whatever 45 mean 1 over root 2. 1 over root 2. Then you can see 15 into 5. 15 into 5 mean 75, no? Yeah, 75. 75 divided by 2. 75 divided by 2. 37.5, no? 37.5. Then divide by root 2. Not, yeah, root 2. Or you can write it 75 up 15 into 5, it is 75. Then divide 2 into root 2. 2 into root 2. Then that enough. That is the area. Area of ABC triangle. That enough. Don't need more than that. Okay, now who is? Yeah. That enough. They don't need to get final value. If you got final value, you will stop. You will very hard to calculate. Okay, then the question given, this ABC area, the PQR area is twice like ABC area. Therefore, we can write then therefore we can find the PQR area. According to the question, we can get the PQR. Therefore, the ABC area is 75 over 2 root 2. Therefore, PQR area, we can get 75 over 2 into root 2 multiplied by 2. Am I correct? According to the question. Okay, that's not in our thing according to the question. Now you can see 2 to 2 cancel out. 2 to 2 cancel out. Then the PQR area is 75 root 2. 75 root 2 square centimeter. In here also square centimeter. I forgot to that. Square centimeter. Okay, that is ABC area. That is PQR area. Up to now, okay. After that, for PQR triangle, we have to use the same equation because perpendicular height we don't know. Therefore, same equation we have to use. PQR area equal half into AB sine C. The PQR area already we know 75 over root 2. 75 over root 2. Then half into AB means 12 into X. I take it as X. PQ as X. Okay, then sine C means sine 60. Sine 60. Sine 60. Then you can see 2 to 12 cancel out. It is 6. Then 6x. 6x multiplied by sine 60 mean you can find sine 60 root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. Then 2 to 6 cancel out. It is 3. Then this answer coming 3x x root 3. Yeah, 3x root 3 only 3x root 3. 3x root 3 divide by this side 75 over root 2. 75 over root 2. Okay, I'll take here this. Okay, long calculation you have to do, but they are very simple. Your focus should have keep very carefully. 75 over root 2. Now we can cross multiplication. No? Cross multiplication. Then root 2 into 3. No, cross multiplication. Root 2 into root 3. What is the value? Root 2 multiplied by root 3. If you don't sure, you can use calculator. It is actually root 6. Root 2 multiplied by root 6. I will show you. It is root 6. Okay, root 6. Then 3x root 6 equal cross multiplication 75. 75. Then 75. I think you understood. That is something. Then x we can isolate. Both side divide by 3 root 6. Both side divide by 3 root 6. Then 75 divide by 3 root 6. 3 root 6. You can use again calculator. 75 divided by 2. 75 divided by 3 root 6. It is 10.2. The x value mean actually PQ. PQ equal 10.2 centimeter. Okay, if any mistake, you can correct that. Okay, these things you need to remember. Root 2 into root 3, it is root 6. If root 2 multiplied by another root 2, what is the value? Do you know that maths part? Root 2 into root 2, what is that? Root 2 into root 2. Like this. Simple maths. Root 2 into root 2. Yes, very good. Say same root number multiplication, the root value is cancelled out. It's become 2. Actually, it's coming like this. Root 2 into root 2, it is root 4. Root 4 value is 2. Like, therefore, short methods we have root 2 into root 2, 2. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 means root 9. Root 9 value is 3. Therefore, root 3 into root 3, normal decimal tree. Normal tree. Root 4 into root 4, it is 4. Root 5 into root 5, it is 5. Root 5 into root 4, root 5 into root 4, what is the value? It is root 20. They not come in normal value. Root 3 into root 2, it is root 6. Okay, root 6. They are extra knowledge. Okay, if there are any problem, ask. This calculation we can practice. You just want to understand the concept. Okay, if you can now I think you practice this half AB squares, AB sin C equation you practice now. That's why we did several types of equation. They are MCQ type questions. Okay, you have to within 2 minutes you have to get the answer. This type 10 questions. 10 question mean 10 marks. Okay, any problem, any point you cannot understand how that coming, you can ask, then I will explain. Okay, both question again and again practice. Okay, again practice. Okay, any problem? Any problem? Understood the method, the basic method. Uh, you want my target is practice these equations. Our new formula practice. Okay, these calculations. If you difficult, if you hard, you have to more practice. Okay, in our revision, when we come into revision, we doing many number of calculations. Then you can easily practice them. Okay, finished. Send me message. Finished. Okay. Alan, what you have sent, it is 2. You have sent it. What you have sent me 2. Root to yes. I forgot that. Yeah. I forgot. Yeah, you correct. Okay, 10.2 is the answer. Okay, we'll do our next part. Okay, what are the shapes we discussed up to now? Square, rectangle, and triangle. Triangle, we have 2 equations. The first one is half into base into height. This height means perpendicular height. Our second equation is half into AB sine C. Half into AB sine C. Okay, remember everything. Okay, our fourth 2D shape, circle. Circle. Circle area. I think you know that if it is the radius of the circle, we can get the area of the circle pi r square. 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 Okay, if I take a part, half of circle, like this. This, after this circle, we separate into same two part. After one part, how we get the area? The area equal, simple, 5r square divided by 2. Then half into 5r square. Half into 5r square. Simple thing. Okay, that's okay. Then how we get, our next point is how we get this type, any angular shape. That means if we take, if we from full circle, from full circle, if we cut this type shape with some angle, if I separate this part, this is r, this is theta, how we get the area of this? Do we know how we get the area of this part, this area, this surface area? Okay, in this part also a lot of MCQs has come. Remember equation, area equal theta divided by 360. From 360, what is the theta? Then 5r square. 5r square. From 360 theta divided 360, 5r square is the equation. Not circle, that equation. Okay, draw and write down all. The topic is circle. Okay, the topic is circle. After that, draw and write down. Okay, finish. Okay. When we consider about any angular part of circle, then we can get the area 360 from 360 theta up 5r square. Then that is a one equation. Actually we have another equation as well, that is something new. If you already know the okay, I think 2025 guys, you already done the rotational motion lesson. In this rotational motion lesson we discussed about radian. In this theta, in this equation, this theta is degrees, okay, degrees. But in here we have another equation, half r square theta radian. That is a new equation for you. I will explain one by one. For now write down both equation with highlight. Area equal, both is same. Area equal half r square theta radian. Theta radian. Theta radian. Theta radian. In here that is degree. Okay, here that is degree. Don't need to degree mark. It is degree. Theta. Theta degree. Okay, we are going to discuss very important part. Okay, this part actually don't need now. That is circle and half circle. Don't need to discuss more. Now we are going to discuss more about the our angular part is surface area. Okay, this equation don't need to, the first equation don't need to worry. We'll take a example. Example number 1. Okay, we'll find the area using first equation. Using first equation, find the area. Example number 1. The theta is 60 degree, radius is 4 centimeter. (60° and 4 centimeter). Okay, what is the equation we can use? Area equal theta from 360, then 5r square. 5r square means a circle equation, then the theta means 60. Okay, 60. The theta means 60. 360 from 360. 5 means, normally for 5 we use 72/7. Multiply by r square means 4 into 4. 4 into 4 or 4 square. Okay, then you can see, again use calculate. 16 to 2, 16 to 22. What's the value? . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . 8.38. The area is 8.38 square centimeter. 8.38 square centimeter. This any calculation you don't need to do manually. Okay, in hand you don't need to do. For exam you have to practice. You do calculations using calculator. Therefore, any calculation you don't need to do manually. That's not all level. Do you know in A level, in accounting, engineering technology, and science for technology, only calculator is allowed. Accounting, engineering technology, and science for technology. Yes, good. Yes, yes. BST also. Yeah, BST, ET, BST, ET, ICT, no. BST, ET, SFT, accounting. Only 4 subjects. Okay, now we are going to discuss some information about radian. If you don't have knowledge, if you don't have remember rotational motion, I will explain again what is the meaning of radian. Carefully understand. Okay. Okay, radian. You know, in your grade, I think grade 5, you discussed about degrees. To measure angles, you use degrees. Other than additionally degrees, in our syllabus we discuss radian for measure angles. Now think there is a circle that is radian, and normally what is the this that we called as, that is radius and that is arc length. The surrounding we called as arc length. Arc length means rotational length. That we signed as S. S is the arc length. Arc length. Arc length. Normally, remember always circumference. Yeah. Normally in here we use that is arc length. Arc length means if you this is arc length. This is the arc length. Therefore, no, the full circle also we use the arc length. That is arc length. Then the radius mean if we select this radius and another arc length equal to radius. If we select some angular part equal to arc length equal to radius. Arc length equal to radius. Okay, that circular part, think the radius is 5 centimeter, example. 5 centimeter. If we get 5 centimeter arc length, the arc length 5 centimeter, that we called as 1 radian. This is called as 1 radian. Okay, that you need to first understand. That you need to first understand. The arc length equal to radius. Expression angle that we called as the 1 radian. Arc length equal to radius. Expression angle that we called as 1 radian. Okay, I think in grade 5, from grade 5, you learning about degrees. Then the 1 radian I explained, can anyone explain what is the meaning of 1 degree? 1 degree? Degree. What is the meaning of 1 degree? I explain now what is a 1 radius. Sorry, 1 radian. 1 radian is arc length equal to radius, expression angular part that we called as 1 radian. Then anyone can explain what is meaning of 1 degree? 1 degree? No any answer? Yeah, Tehlan answer. No, your thinking is good. Your thinking is correct, but your answer is not explained the correct thing. Tehlan has explained in whole 360 degrees, it's 1. No, your thinking is good. Thinking is correct. Your thinking pattern correct, but I don't know. It's not expressing the answer. I asked 1 degree mean. What is the meaning of 1 degree? 1 degree. 1 degree mean actually very simple. 1 degree mean, think this is a circle. This is R. This is R. What is this angle? This full angle 360 degrees. That is 360 degrees. 360 degrees. Okay, after that, if I divide this circle into 360 parts, 360 equal parts, 360 equal parts, I'm not drawing 360 parts. Likewise, if one circle, if divided into 360 equal parts, this one part, that is the 1 degree. Again explain, the circle mean, circle full angle is 360 degrees. Okay, if I divide this 360 degree into same equal 360 parts, 360 part, that's the meaning of 1 degree. Okay, that's the meaning of 1 degree. Okay, write down the topic, angle measurements. Write down the topic, subtopic, angle measurement. Angle measurement. Angle measurements. Angle measurements. write down new point. There are two main angle measuring units. There are two main angle measuring units. Angle measuring units. Angle measuring units in our syllabus. In our syllabus, the first one is degrees. The second one is radian. The first one is degrees. The second one is radian. Not n. It is an radian. Radian. Okay, first write down the topic, subtopic again, degrees. Write down first subtopic, degrees. Now, okay. Sorry. Okay, write down full circle after divide into full circle after divide into 360 equal parts. 360 equal parts. that one part is called as 1 degree. Is called as 1 degree. Is called as 1 degree. One degree. Okay, about degree, that enough. Draw this circle and mark. This is the 1 degree. This is the 1 degree. One part of. Sir, can you say again? Okay. I told full circle after divide into full circle after divide into 360 equal parts. 360 equal parts. That one part is called as the 1 degree. That one part is called as the 1 degree. Okay, draw that and mark it as 1 degree. That enough about degree. Next, write down the second subtopic, the radian. 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 Now write down new point. Radian. The arc length equal to the radius. The arc length equal to the radius. The arc length equal to the radius. Expression angle is called as 1 radian. Is called as 1 radian. The arc length equal to the radius. The arc length equal to the radius. Expression angle. This angle called as 1 radian. One radian. Second point, the arc length of any circle, dividing by radius. The arc length of any circle dividing by radius. The radian angle can be found. The radian angle can be found. The radian angle can be found. Okay, that is the 1 radian. Okay, the second point I given, think that that is example 1. Example 1. The arc length is now 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. This arc length is 20 centimeter. The radius is 5 centimeter. The radius is 5 centimeter. Then this angle, this theta, we can find theta equal S over R. Arc length divided by radius. Then the arc length is 20 centimeter. The arc length is 20 centimeter. The radius is 5 centimeter. Then we can decide the theta is theta equal 4 radian. 4 radian. This radian for rad O, we can write 4C. Both are correct. Okay. 4 rad O, 4C. 4 rad O, 4C. Okay. Draw this and draw the calculate first example. Calculate first example. Now you can hear me. Sorry. Okay, up to now, any problem you can ask about degrees or radian? Radian mean arc length equal to radius. The expression angle called as 1 radian. Then the number of radian in any circle, we can find the arc length dividing by radius. Up to now, okay, send me yes or no, or any problem, send me clear or not. We are going to some advanced part, that's why I ask you. Okay, 2% say it is clear, sir. Yes. Okay, this, yeah, 3. Others? Good. Udanya, clear. Yes, good. Yeah, all clear. Now we are going to discuss about the relationship between degrees and radian. Carefully understand. The relationship between degrees and radian. The relationship. The relationship. The relationship between degrees and radian. Degrees and radian. You know the relationship between degrees and radian. You know when we take any circle, it's think it is radius and it is 360 degree. The whole angle is 360 degree. Okay, you know how we get the arc length of the how we find the arc length of full circle? Arc length of full circle? Full circle arc length, how we find? 2 phi r. 2 phi r. Then what is our equation? Theta equal, this theta equal 2 phi, sorry, s over r. That's a equation like this. The arc length divided by radius. Then this theta equal the arc length we can find 2 phi r equation. 2 phi r. Carefully understand. The arc length of this full circle, it is 2 phi r. Now that divide by the radius. The radius is r. Then what happened? R to R cancel out. Then the theta equal 2 phi radian. 2 phi radian. This full angle theta, that means any circle full angle equal 2 phi. Then we can say theta equal 2 phi radian. Then 360 degree equal 2 phi radian. Am I correct? 360 degree equal 2 phi radian. 360 degree equal 2 phi radian. Clear? Any problem? If you can't understand, we can't go into next part. Any problem? You told up to this point all clear. Then how about that? We consider full circle. Full circle, we get the radian by arc length divided by radius. Arc length divided by radius. The arc length of full circle, that is 2 phi r. You know that. 2 phi r. Then divide by radius. Radius means r. R to r cancel out. Then 2 phi radian is the full circle angle. Full circle angle in degree, it is 360 degree. That's it. Then 360 degree equal 2 phi radian. Clear? Good. Then what is the 180 degree? 180 degree? What is 180 degree? 180 degree equal radian? Yeah, half. Half mean what is the value? 180 degree mean what is the radian value? Write down the topic, the relationship between radian and degrees. The relationship between radian and degrees. The relationship between radian and degrees. Okay, then draw this diagram and write down, make that as 5. 360 degree equal to 5, then 180 degree equal 5. 180 degree equal 5 radian. Okay, now we are going to do very interesting thing. Okay, now we are going to convert degree values into radian. Okay, okay, now we are going to convert degrees into radian. Degrees into radian. Convert degrees into radian like this. Degrees to radian. Okay, we'll see how to do that. Degree into radian. Okay, now we know 180 equal 180 degree. 180 degree equal 5 radian. Carefully focus into that. 180 degree equal to 5 radian. Then can we find 1 degree? To get 1 degree, what we want to do? To get 1 degree, we can divide 5 radian by 1. Now can you hear me? Yeah, there was a problem, no? There was a problem with my mic, the battery loss. Mic battery low. I think without mic you can hear me. Now I am speaking without mic.
Can hear.
Huh?
Can hear, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. Now think we have 90-degree angle. 90-degree angle. 90-degree angle. I want to convert into radian. What we want to do? We know one degree means 5 over 180. Then we can multiply that by 5 over 180. 5 over 180. Then cancel out into 2. We can write 2, not 2. 5 over 2 radian is, then 90 degree equal 5 over 2 radian. Second example, if I have 60 degree, how we convert into radian? Multiply by 5 over 180. Simple. 5 over 180. Then you can see it is cancelled out into 3. Then 5 over 3 radian is the 5 over 3 radian equal 60 degree. Okay. Then you have to fourth one. That is your one, 45 degrees. Fifth one, 30 degree. And sixth one, 120 degrees. Okay, before that, write down the subtopic degree converting to radian. Degrees converting to radian. Degrees converting to radian. Degrees converting to radian. Then write down that 180 degree equal 5 radian. Then 1 degree equal 5 over 180 radian. Okay, then write down their examples. Example 1, 2, that is 3, 4 and 5. No, 3 write down. 3 is another value. 3 is 75. Convert. 75 degree, 45, C 30, 120. Okay, what are the values? Uh, 75. 75 means 75 multiplied by 5 over 180. Yeah, what is the value? 75. They not cancel out. You have to use, yes, 5 pi over 12. Yes. Yeah. It is 5, it is 12. 15. Divide by 15 both. Then 5 pi. Yes, 5 pi over 12 radian. Then 45 multiplied by 5 over 180. Then 45, it is 4. 5 over 4 radian. 5 over 4 radian. 5 over 4 radian. 5 over 4 radian. Then 30. 30. Same method. 0 to 0 cancel out. 3 and 6. Yeah, 6. Then 5 over 6 radian. 5 over 6 radian. 5 over 6 radian. Then 120. 120. 180. Then 0 to 0. 2 6 and 3 6. Then 2 5 over 3. 2 5 over 3 rad. Okay, they are the radians values. Now, any degree value you can convert into radian. What you want to do? Multiply by 5 over 180. Multiply by 5 over 180. Multiply by 5 over 180. What is the time now? Oh, 9:30. Okay, we'll complete today somehow other part. Now we can convert any degree value into radian. Now we are going to convert any radian value into degrees. Okay, any radian value, that means rad values into degrees. Rad values into degrees. Radians into degrees. Now, same thing. Now you know 5 radian mean. 5 radian mean 180 degrees. The opposite way. 180 degrees equal to 5 radian, then 5 radian equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, how we get the 1 radian now? 1 radian. 1 radian equal 180 over 5. 180 over 5 degree, that is 1 radian. Understood? Then, any radian value, think we'll take 5 over 4 radian. 5 over 4 radian. 5 over 4 radian. I want to convert into degrees. Then what I do? 180 divide 5. Then 5 to 5 cancel out. 5 to 5 cancel out. Then that 45. Then 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Now you can see 5 over 4 means 45. Correct. Yeah. We'll take 75 degrees. 70, no, not 75. 5 divided by 12 radian. This is first one. Second one, 5 divided by 12 radian. I want to convert into degrees. What we doing? 180 divided by 5. That means 5 to 5 again cancel out. Then 12 2 180 divided by 6, it is 20. No, 30. Then 30 multiplied by 50, it is 150. 150 divided by 2, it is 75 degrees. Okay, understood? Send me message. the opposite way. 180 over 5. 180 over 5. Any problem? Send me message, then we can complete quickly. Now close 10. Yes, clear. Okay, then you have third one for you. 5 over 2 for you, radian. Okay, that's enough. 5 over 2. Okay, write down the topic. Radian convert into degrees. Radian convert into degrees. Radian convert into degrees. Radian convert into degrees. Then write down that 5 radian equal 180. 1 radian equal 180 divided by 5. Then write down them and find the value here, degree value. Okay, what is the value for last one? Degree value? Yes, good. 450 light value. Others did get? I get? I got the value?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's the value? 450. 180 over 5. Then 5 to 5 cancel out. 5 to 5 cancel out. it's 90. 90 multiplied by 5. Yeah, it is 45 degrees. 450 degrees. Okay, final one. Final one, get the fourth one. 35 over 2. Right. 35 over 2. Right. Get the degree value, put into chat. All need. All the answers I need. Yes, 2 answers, others. Yes. Yes. Yeah, 3. Yeah, 4. Yeah, all are same. It also same method. 180 over 5. Amina, what's the answer? Amin, what's the answer? But not calculated. Others answer is correct. Amina, can you hear me? Good. Yeah, she has. Okay. Okay, that means it is 90. Then 90 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3 it is 27 with 0 to 270 degrees. 270 degrees. Now you can any degree value you can convert into radian. Any radian value you can convert into degrees. What's the method? You just only want to finally you just only want to remember how to convert degrees into radian, multiply by 5 over 180. How to convert radians into degrees, multiply by 180 over 5. That's the today's summary. Okay, only that you need to remember. Okay, today we I think you got lot of new things. Okay, we have the area and volume. We have more some calculation like part, this type calculation type rational part. Okay, we'll try to complete all within next 2-3 days, area and volume. Then we'll start trigonometry and Pythagoras theorem. Then the basic mathematics part is complete. After that we'll start our another physics part. Okay, I think today no any problem. If you have, now you can ask. there any problem today, Parth? Okay. Then good night. We'll meet next Wednesday. Good night, all.